Okay, sorry guys, I don't know what just happened. Apparently it just ended the video, but this video's too good to scrap. Because I'm spending a lot of V-Bucks. Anarchy X. Whoa, I am not buying that. That's not a good name. Ooh. Nope. Hazard Agent. Contagion. Nah. Hot and Cold. I do like this wrap, and it's only 300. It's good, it's good, it's good. Probably gonna get it. Yes. I don't know why I was like Pizzo for a second. But I bought Hot and Cold. And not buying that. Alright. I think that's all we're buying. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. Peace.